Stop by and take a look at the 2016 500. The Fiat 500 offers exciting models infused with style, technology, and convenience features to make life on the go more personalized and comforting. And with so many original ways to personalize every Fiat 500, your individuality will be recognized wherever you go. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Fiat's certified pre-driven program allows for a worry-free driving experience. Their demanding inspection program ensures it. The Fiat certified pre-driven program comes with a comprehensive limited warranty and 24-hour roadside assistance. Stop by your local Fiat dealer today to learn more about their certified pre-driven program.
We're located on Route 38 in beautiful Maple Shade, New Jersey, or online at fiatofmapleshade.com.